Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the GTRS cash token. Ticker symbol is GTRS. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the GTRS cash token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the GTR Cash token is on the Ethereum blockchain. They have 199 holders so far. There's 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 100 billion tokens. Now you can find their Telegram at GTR Cash, almost 9,000 subscribers. They have 8,956 Telegram subscribers, and on there's different links to different language Telegrams as well. Like you can find one for Indonesia, you can find one for South Korea, etc. Now, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 20th at 13 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search GTRS, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So GTR Cash emerges as an eclectic multi-platform ecosystem uniquely crafted to revolutionize the digital financial experience for users across the globe. This initiative distinctively merges the best practices of gaming and finance, creating a pathway to unparalleled opportunities. Engaging digital interaction at the core of GTRS Cash is a commitment to elevating digital interaction. Users are not just passively consuming content, they are actively engaging in the platform that is both entertaining and financially stimulating. There's a unique platform experience, so GTRS Cash stands out by offering a distinctive platform. It's not just a gaming and financial application. It's a hybrid that brings together the best of both worlds. Users have the opportunity to engage in an environment where they can play, learn, and grow their digital assets. There's interactive learning and growth. So the platform is designed not just as an entertainment hub, but also as a learning hub. Users can understand more about digital assets and financial strategies through their gaming experience, making GTRS Cash an educational tool as well as a source for entertainment. There's global and diverse audience, so GTRS Cash's approach is universally appealing, targeting a global audience. It aims to bridge the gap between digital finance enthusiasts and gamers, offering a platform that is accessible and engaging to a wide array of users. They are bridging digital finance and gaming. The platform represents a fusion between the realm of finance and interactive gaming. The integration caters to the growing interest in financial technology and gaming, meeting the needs of a diverse, tech-savvy generation. They have an advanced gaming experience, so they significantly enhance the gaming experience by integrating innovative and immersive gameplay, expertly combining high-paced combat mechanics and a sophisticated in-game economy. This fusion ensures that each player, irrespective of their role, is instrumental in fostering the vibrant growth of the ecosystem. There is a dynamic gaming world, so in GTRS Cash, every in-game asset, whether it's crafting rare artifacts, enhancing prized weapons, or virtually trading lands, has intrinsic value. This aspect infuses each element of the game with importance and purpose. So beyond combat, the thrill in GTRS Cash extends beyond just defeating virtual foes. It involves mastering the in-game market, adding a strategic layer where players engage in tactics, negotiation, and maximize their virtual assets' potential. It's got rich, multi-layered experience, so our game design philosophy focuses on providing experience that are rich and multi-layered, where every action leads to meaningful outcomes. Players are more than just participants, they are active contributors, shaping the game's economy and narrative. There's strategic business and action fusion, so GTRS Cash is more than just a game, it's a virtual world where there's strategy, business acumen, and action gameplay converge to create a uniquely thrilling adventure. So this stands out in the gaming world by offering a depth that transforms from a single game to a complex one. Interactive virtual economy where every decision and action contributes to a larger narrative and economic system. Now, the tokenomics for this token here, we got, so there's 5 billion tokens going to in-game rewards, 5 billion to community and partnerships, 6 billion tokens to team, 6 billion to reserves, 8 billion to marketing and promotion, 15 billion to ecosystem and development, and 55 billion to initial liquidity for a total of 100 billion tokens. So that's how they are allocated. Now, if you're looking for information regarding this project, go to gtr.gitbook.io. That's going to have tons of information about the entire project, the token, everything you need. So what is the token used for? Well, it's an in-game currency within the gaming ecosystem. You could use it for decentralized finance, governance, so voting rights, voting on proposals, which direction you think the project should go, and trading and liquidity. So that's what this token's all about here. And like I said, this is on the Ethereum blockchain and is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 20th at 13 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially if you don't have an Mexc Global account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.